Mouth and teeth.
The mouth is a vital part of the human body that plays essential roles in digestion and communication. The mouth includes the teeth, tongue, and the salivary glands.
Teeth.
Teeth are a very important part of our mouth. Teeth help to bite and chew food. They also give shape to our face and help us speak clearly. Humans have two sets of teeth in their lifetime: milk teeth in childhood and permanent teeth in adulthood.
Milk teeth.
Babies are born without teeth. Around the age of 6 months, their first teeth, called milk teeth, start appearing. By the age of 3, a child has 20 teeth. These are temporary teeth and are called milk teeth.
Permanent teeth.
Between the ages of 6 and 12 years, milk teeth fall out one by one and new ones grow in their place. These new teeth are called permanent teeth. Adults have 32 permanent teeth, which are stronger, larger, and last a lifetime. No teeth. Newborn stage. Milk teeth. 20 baby teeth erupt. Milk teeth start falling out. Permanent teeth replace them. Full set of 28 permanent teeth, except wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth may appear. Final set of molars. 32 permanent teeth if all wisdom teeth erupt.